Hello, and in this tutorial, we'll show you how to add your accountant in QuickBooks Online for 2022. First, go to quickbooks.com and log in with your username and password. Once logged in, go to the settings icon or gear symbol on the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Go to Manage Users below your Company section. In this section, click on the tab of Accounting Firms, and in here, you can add the email address of your accountant. Please note that this will allow the accountant to have admin rights in QuickBooks. Go ahead and click Invite. Next, make sure that you verify your credentials by either entering your password or the code that will be emailed to you. QuickBooks allows one accountant access, so if you already have one, no problem. Just add another user as an admin by clicking this button. In the next section, you will select the Company Admin option. Click Next. Verify your identity, and the new user will receive an email from QuickBooks with the invite. We hope this QuickBooks tutorial was helpful, and for more tips and tricks, please check our other videos and make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.